Here are the key application of medical biotechnology. The number one is recombinant insulin production. Genetically engineered E. coli bacteria produces human insulin, replacing the animal-derived insulin and reducing allergic reaction in diabetes patient. The another significant one is gene therapy, which correct the defective gene, for example, using CRISPR-Cas9 system to treat genetic disorder like cystic fibrosis and sickle cell anemia. Another significant application is monoclonal antibody. Lab-produced antibodies target specific cancer cell or pathogen used in therapies for breast cancers and autoimmune diseases. The another one is molecular diagnostic. Techniques like PCR and ELISA detect diseases at early stages by identifying pathogens or biomarker. For example, in case of HIV and COVID-19, the another application is pharmacogenomics, which is tailoring the drug treatment based on biological profile to enhance efficacy and reduce the side effect. The another application is edible vaccines like transgenic plant, example bananas and tomato, which produces antigenic proteins for vaccines against cholera and hepatitis B. Moreover, stem cell, which regenerate damaged tissue, for example, for spinal cord injury, using pluripotent stem cell. Few more example are tissue engineering, which create lab-grown organs and tissue. For example, for skin graft and cartilages, using 3D bioprinting and scaffold. The another significant application is recombinant vaccine. Genetically engineered vaccine uses viral protein to trigger immunity without live pathogen. The another significant one is biopharmaceutical. Therapeutic proteins, for example, erythropoietin for anemia, and enzyme, for example, clotting factor for hemophilia produced via cell culture. The another prominent application is CRISPR-Cas9 gene editing, which correct mutations in diseases like beta thalassemia and muscular dystrophy by precisely editing the DNA sequences. Few more applications are personalized medicine, which uses biological information and biomarker to design customized treatment plan. For example, cancer immunotherapy based on tumor genetics. The another one is biosensor. These are devices that detect biomarker, for example, glucose monitor for diabetes in real time for disease management, and along with that, antibiotic protection. Engineer microorganisms produce antibiotic, for example, penicillin derivatives to combat bacterial infection. And lastly, regenerative medicine, which combines stem cells and biomaterial to repair organs, for example, lab-grown bladder, and repair organs and treat degenerative diseases. These applications highlight how medical biotechnology revolutionizes diagnosis, therapeutics, and preventive care. I hope you have liked the session. Don't forget to like and subscribe the channel, and do share these information among your scientific endeavor. Thank you.